Learn with Zara, an educational channel.
Hello,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Can you teach me about hygiene?
Sure, it's important to stay clean.
How do I stay clean at school?
Wash your hands and keep your desk tidy.
When should I wash my hands?
Before eating, after recess, and after using the bathroom.
What if I don't have soap?
Use hand sanitizer if there's no soap.
Can I share my hand sanitizer?
Yes, sharing hand sanitizer is okay.
How often should I clean my desk?
Wipe it daily, especially after eating.
What about my school bag?
Don't place it on dirty floors, and clean it weekly.
Should I share my lunch with friends?
No, sharing food spreads germs.
How can I keep my water bottle clean?
Wash it every day after school.
Should I share my water bottle?
No, never share bottles, it spreads germs.
What should I do if I sneeze?
Sneeze into a tissue, then wash your hands.
How do I keep my shoes from smelling?
Air them out, and wear clean socks.
Can I wash my face at school?
Yes, especially if it's dirty or sweaty.
How often should I wash my uniform?
Wash it every few days or when it's dirty.
How do I keep my classroom clean?
Keep your things organized and clean up after yourself.
Should I clean my lunchbox daily?
Yes, wash it after every use.
What if my friend is sick?
Avoid close contact, and wash your hands after touching anything.
How do I avoid germs on school buses?
Wash your hands after getting off the bus.
Should I share pencils and pens?
Try not to share them, they can carry germs.
How can I keep my hands clean all day?
Wash them often, especially after touching shared items.
What about my locker?
Clean it regularly, and keep it organized.
How do I keep germs off my face?
Avoid touching your face with dirty hands.
Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye!